I will show you how to make this text wiggle effect in Premiere Pro. First, drag the text wiggle template onto your timeline. You can get the template on adobebasics.com. Select the template and then open the properties panel. Start by expanding the design section. Here you can change the text to anything you want. Choose a different font and change the text color. Below that are stroke settings. Enable a stroke and you can change the stroke color, adjust the width and choose between different stroke styles. Then you have the text tracking, which controls the distance between each character. And if you're working with 2 or more lines of text, you can also adjust the line spacing to move the lines closer together or further apart. Below that are the shadow settings. You can enable a shadow and then adjust the different settings to your liking. There are also glow settings. Just enable the glow and from here you can adjust the different settings to change how the glow looks. Now let's get into the actual wiggle animation. Expand the wiggle section and this is where you can control how the animation looks. By default, the template uses a rotation wiggle and you can increase or decrease the amount of rotation to your liking. You can also add movement on the x-axis to make the text wiggle from side to side or on the y-axis to make it wiggle up or down. Then to make the animation faster or slower, just adjust the wiggles per second slider. Next up is correlation, which controls how similarly each character moves. At 100, all the characters wiggle together in the same way. As you lower the value, their movement becomes more independent and random. And at 0, every character wiggles completely independently from the others. Then there's the wiggle type menu. This lets you choose what the wiggle is applied to, each character, word or line. And finally, there's the wiggle anchor point. To demonstrate this, I'm setting the x and y axis to 0 and increasing the rotation. With the anchor point set to center, each character wiggles from its center. Change it to top and each character wiggles from the top, creating this hanging or dangling effect. And if you set it to bottom, the characters wiggle from the bottom instead. And you don't need to adjust the setting at all. The default center option works perfectly for most effects. And that's how you create this text wiggle effect. If you want to try it yourself, you can get the text wiggle template on adobebasics.com.